Tikulandi landi, masikuyopi.
Our sincere condolences to the nation and to the family of our dear brother that we lost to this dreaded coronavirus. I wish now to deliver a message of goodwill from our party president, Hakainde Hichilema, to the people of Zambia. The United Party for National Development joins the rest of progressive Zambians in fighting the coronavirus, COVID-19. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at war against a common enemy, as the minister has alluded to today. The common enemy is COVID-19. It is our considered view that in times like this, we must indeed put our political differences aside and face this global pandemic as a united force. I am happy that the government agrees with us that the unity of purpose that Zambians have exhibited when faced with a common challenge is needed today more than even ever before. As Queen Elizabeth, in her speech on Sunday, the 5th of April, said, "We shall succeed, and the success will be for all of us." Our president, Hakainde Hichilema, joins the rest of the Zambians in contributing to efforts aimed at mitigating the spread of coronavirus through a helping hand. Honorable Minister, you say, who is my neighbor? I think Jesus spent time talking about who the neighbor is. My neighbor is the one in need. That is the shortest way I can put it. A neighbor is anyone in need. That means to me, the volumes of what you give may not be the most important, not even the cost. But if you can buy one sanitizer for yourself and another one to the need, you'll have done something to help mitigate the spread of this virus. President Hichilema, in following up with this, has decided to contribute, among other things, the following items: thermometers that could be used in taking temperatures. He has brought 300 thermometers, liquid soap, there are 50 boxes, Honorable Minister, hygiene soap, there are 100 boxes, and we also have Yebo soap, which is 100 boxes. In terms of foodstuffs, the president of UPND has donated carcasses, meat, and for this we would like you as government, through the committee that is working, to work with us to ensure that this meat is taken according to the meal. What are all these for? Indeed, we have heard that there are quarantine centers, and this should be able to go towards that. And the people that are helping, in looking after those that are quarantined, people like the medical staff, people like the police, and other members of staff, as you see it fit, Minister and your committee. This is just the beginning of our contribution, of the contribution of President Hakainde. This will be done on a regular basis as long as the pandemic continues. The little that will be there will be offered through. The contribution from our president is aimed at mitigating the challenges that come with fighting the pandemic. Thus, what is important to us is not so much of the cash value, but the need to help. What HH is trying to do is to invite others. We join you therefore in inviting others. Whatever little they have, let them be able to contribute so that we can together fight this dreadful COVID-19. I also wish to reiterate the words of my President Hakainde, that UPND is available to exchange ideas and views in fighting COVID-19. We are available. We reiterate our preparedness to offer solutions in various spheres, specifically in the fiscal regime, to address various challenges facing both the public and the private sector.